Hi everyone, this is the Hill Cipher encryption method and how we can apply it. So to apply it for the letters H and I, we need to see which indices does it correspond to when it comes to alphabetical order. So A is number 0, B is 1, and C is 2. So H and I correspond to 7 and 8. And we have our key matrix here. It is a given matrix. And the rule for Hill Cipher encryption is K times B modulus 26 because we have 26 letters. So now we will multiply our matrix, the key matrix, by the letters matrix. So when we will multiply the first row by this column. So 3 times 7 plus 3 times 8 is 45. And 2 times 7 plus 5 times 8 is 54. So this is our matrix. And we will do modulus 26. So here we will do modulus 26 to get the following answer. 45 modulus 26 will give us 19, and 54 modulus 26 will give us 2. So 19 in alphabetical order corresponds to T, and 2 corresponds to C. So now we have our ciphertext, which is TC. So to decrypt TC and get the original message which we had, which was H and I, we can do the following. This is our K matrix or key matrix. We need to get the K inverse. So to get the K inverse, we can do the following. Just switch the main diagonal and change the sign of the other diagonal and get determinant of K. So determinant of K here is 3 times 5 minus 3 times 2, which is 9. And we need to get its modular inverse. So it's modular inverse when it comes to mod 26 because we have 26 letter. Okay, so to get its modular inverse, we need to check which number when it's multiplied by the 9, and mod 26 gave us 1. So we can guess it like 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27. This gave us 27 mod 26, which gave us 1. So 3 is its modular inverse. Now we have the modular inverse. So it is the matrix is 3 times 5, negative 2, negative 3, and 3. But we can't have negative numbers here. So we need to check what does this negative number correspond to when it comes to alphabetical order. So we will add to it 26 here and 26 here. So the matrix now is 5, 24, 23, and here is 3. We will multiply it by 3. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 23 is 69. 3 times 24 is 72. 3 times 3 is 9. This is our K inverse, but we can't have any value more than 26, so we always get mod 26. So now the values are 15 and 9 are the same. Let me calculate 69 modulus 26 is 17. 72 modulus 26 is 20. So now this is our K inverse. Now we will just multiply K inverse by our ciphertext. So it is 15, 20, 17, 9, multiply the ciphertext, which was 19 and 2. So when we multiply it, we will get the following: 319 and 398. Now we need to get its modulus 26. So 319 modulus 26 is 7, and 398 modulus 26 is 8. Now we got our original message, which is HI. Thank you.